The Russian Time Formula 2 team has been replaced by UNI-Virtuosi for the 2019 season. The Virtuosi outfit has run the Russian Time squad successfully for 4 years, with many staff remaining from its previous iteration, iSport International. Virtuosi-run Russian Time won the team's championship in 2017, pictured below, with Artem Markelov and Luka Giotto, and it won races in 2018 with Artem Markelov and Daisuke Makino. But as confirmed by Autosport last month, the Russian Time team has handed over its cars, equipment and entry to UNI-Virtuosi. UNI-Virtuosi team owner Andy Roche said, "We are pleased to announce that UNI-Virtuosi will race in Formula 2 next season. We have enjoyed a very successful 4 years with Russian Time and would like to wish Artem Markelov and Svetlana Strelnikova, RT team principal, good luck with their future plans. UNI-Virtuosi Racing's owners, Paul Devlin, Declan Lohan and I are fully committed to continue with the same mindset which led Russian Time to the 2017 team's championship, 13 race wins and 38 podiums, and the team will continue with the same engineering staff and structure to ensure this success continues into 2019 and beyond. We are close to announcing drivers for 2019 and expect to a final decision very soon," F2 CEO Bruno Michel said. "I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Russian Time, Svetlana Strelnikova and Artem Markelov for their dedication over the years. It's been a pleasure to work with them and to see Artem grow into one of the most interesting drivers to watch on track." In the F2 post-season test last week in Abu Dhabi, Giotto and European Formula 3 frontrunner Guan Yu Zhou tested for Russian Time, but no drivers have been announced in the new squad for 2019. Autosport understands at least one driver will be announced on Wednesday. Share this article on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, email.